Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome to the Summary Studio, your one-stop destination for insightful summaries. Today we turn our attention to a remarkable work, I Contain Multitudes, The Microbes Within Us and a Grander View of Life, by Ed Yong. This book offers a deep dive into the microscopic world that lives within us, profoundly shaping our lives. It's a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is fascinating. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the fascinating world of microbes as we explore this book chapter by chapter. Chapter 1 of I Contain Multitudes offers a fresh perspective on microbes. In this opening chapter, Ed Yong introduces us to a world that is often overlooked, but is nonetheless fundamental to our existence. This world is the world of microbes, tiny organisms that are omnipresent and play a crucial role in life on Earth. Let's delve into the key points of this chapter to comprehend the importance of microbes. Often when we think of microbes, we think of harmful bacteria causing diseases. However, Yong broadens our understanding by presenting microbes as essential allies in our lives. From aiding digestion in our gut to facilitating the oxygen we breathe, microbes are integral to our daily existence. Yong emphasizes that microbes are everywhere, existing in places you'd least expect. They inhabit the deepest trenches of the ocean, the highest peaks of mountains, and even the seemingly inhospitable realms of deserts and glaciers. But it's not just about their omnipresence, it's about their sheer numbers too. In fact, for every human cell in our bodies, there are at least one microbe, making us more microbial than human. Now, moving on to their crucial role in life on Earth. Microbes are not just microscopic squatters. They are active participants in the ecological processes that sustain life on our planet. They recycle nutrients, drive biogeochemical cycles, and even influence the climate. They are the unseen custodians of our world, maintaining the balance of life in ways we are only beginning to understand. However, the chapter also reminds us that our relationship with microbes is not always harmonious. They can cause diseases and wreak havoc when they invade the wrong places. But Yong encourages us to see these instances not as the norm, but as exceptions, highlighting the need to shift our perspective on microbes. In essence, microbes are not just bystanders in our world, they are active participants shaping the course of life. Chapter 2, The Microbial Renaissance, delves into the history and evolution of microbial studies. The narrative begins with the humble origins of microbial research, tracing back to the early pioneers of this field. These daring scientists, armed with rudimentary tools and boundless curiosity, laid the foundation for an area of study that would revolutionize our understanding of life itself. The development of microbial research was not without its challenges. The minuscule size of microbes made them difficult to study, and their seemingly invisible presence led many to discount their importance. However, with the invention of the microscope, these tiny organisms finally stepped into the limelight. This scientific breakthrough was a turning point, allowing researchers to delve deeper into the world of microbes. Over the centuries, our understanding of microbes has evolved dramatically. Once feared as carriers of disease, microbes are now recognized for their integral role in maintaining the health of our bodies and our planet. They are the unseen architects, silently shaping the world around us. From aiding digestion in our guts to cycling nutrients in the soil, microbes are essential players in life's grand orchestra. The chapter also highlights the recent surge of interest in microbes. This microbial renaissance is marked by a wave of research exploring the immense diversity and potential of these tiny organisms. From developing new antibiotics to understanding the intricacies of our immune system, microbes hold the key to many scientific mysteries. This chapter ultimately paints a picture of a scientific field reborn, with microbes now recognized as essential to our understanding of life. It's a journey of discovery, tracing the path from obscurity to significance. This tale of microbial studies is not just about science, it's also about the resilience of human curiosity, the thirst for knowledge, and the power of perspective. As we delve deeper into the microbial world, we are reminded that life, in all its complexity, often comes from the smallest of beginnings. In the third chapter, The Invisible World, Yong takes us on a journey into the microscopic realm of microbes. A realm that, despite its invisibility to the naked eye, is teeming with life and diversity. Here, Yong invites us to marvel at the sheer variety of microbial life. From bacteria and fungi to viruses and protozoa, the microbial world is a kaleidoscope of life forms, each with its unique characteristics and roles. Yong highlights the adaptability of these microbes, their ability to thrive in a myriad of environments, from the searing heat of geothermal vents to the icy confines of the Arctic. These tiny organisms have perfected the art of survival, demonstrating a resilience that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. But the chapter goes beyond merely illustrating their diversity and adaptability. It delves into the intricate, often complex relationships that microbes form with their environment and with other organisms. Yong paints a picture of a world where cooperation and competition coexist, where symbiotic relationships are as common as predatory ones. He introduces us to the concept of microbial communities, or microbiomes, which are essentially ecosystems within organisms. These communities are not random collections of microbes, rather, they are finely tuned systems where each microbe has a role to play, contributing to the overall health and functioning of the host organism. Yong also explores the idea of quorum sensing, a form of microbial communication that allows these tiny organisms to coordinate their behavior and respond collectively to changes in their environment. This complex social behavior is yet another testament to the sophistication of the microbial world. The invisible world is a chapter that challenges our understanding of life as we know it. It compels us to think beyond what we can see, to appreciate the microscopic life forms that invisibly shape our world and our lives. It is a reminder that we are not alone, that we share this planet with millions of unseen organisms, each playing a vital role in the grand scheme of life. The invisible world indeed opens our eyes to a fascinating and complex microbial landscape. Chapter 4, The Body Microbial, explores the intricate relationship between microbes and human health. Diving into the depths of our bodies, we discover a bustling metropolis of microbes, each performing a distinct role in maintaining our health. Take digestion, for example. It isn't simply a process controlled by our bodies alone, it's a collaborative effort. Our microbial partners break down complex carbohydrates, fibers, and proteins that our bodies can't digest on their own. This symbiotic relationship ensures we get the energy and nutrients we need from the food we consume. But the influence of these microbial inhabitants extends beyond digestion. They also play a crucial role in shaping our immune system. These microscopic inhabitants teach our immune system to distinguish between harmful pathogens and harmless entities, preventing unnecessary immune responses. In essence, they are the unsung heroes, training our immune defenses to protect us from disease. And then there's the fascinating link between microbes and mental health. Recent studies suggest that our gut microbiome might influence our brain function and behavior. Yes, you heard it right. The bacteria in our gut could potentially impact our mood, stress levels, and even cognitive abilities. This intriguing field of research, often referred to as the gut-brain axis, is opening up new avenues for understanding and treating mental health disorders. Yet, our lifestyle choices can significantly impact these microbial allies. Factors such as diet, stress, sleep, and antibiotics can shift the balance of our microbiome, sometimes with detrimental effects on our health. It's a delicate balance, and understanding this microbial ecosystem can guide us in making healthier choices. The body. Microbial underscores the profound influence of these tiny organisms on our health and well-being. In the final chapter, The Future of Microbes, Yong speculates on the future of microbial research. He paints a picture of a world where microbes are no longer viewed as mere pests or diseases, but as vital allies in our quest for a healthier, more sustainable future. The potential applications of microbial studies are vast and varied. In the realm of medicine, Yong envisions a future where we could harness the power of beneficial microbes to fight diseases. Imagine, instead of popping pills, we could introduce a colony of friendly bacteria to outcompete harmful ones, or engineer our microbiome to produce natural antibiotics. The possibilities are tantalizing and underscore the need for further research. In agriculture, microbes could revolutionize how we grow our food. They could help plants resist pests, tolerate harsh conditions, and even absorb nutrients more efficiently, reducing our reliance on chemical fertilizers. Could we, in the future, cultivate our fields with microbial cocktails instead of artificial inputs? Yong certainly seems to think so. The potential of microbes extends even to environmental conservation. From cleaning up oil spills to breaking down plastic waste, microbes could provide sustainable solutions to some of our most pressing environmental issues. The thought of these microscopic organisms as environmental superheroes is both fascinating and inspiring. However, Yong also cautions us about the ethical and practical challenges ahead. As we learn to manipulate microbes, we must tread carefully. The microbial world is complex and interconnected, and our actions could have unforeseen consequences. Yong stresses the need for rigorous scientific research and responsible stewardship. The future of microbes leaves us with a sense of wonder and curiosity about the untapped potential of these microscopic powerhouses. It nudges us to rethink our relationship with microbes, to see them not as adversaries, but as partners in our journey towards a healthier, more sustainable world. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the key insights from I Contain Multitudes. This revealing book peels back the layers of the microscopic world, highlighting the importance, diversity, and potential of microbes. These tiny organisms, often overlooked, are integral to our existence, our health, and our planet. Ed Yong challenges us to shift our perspective, to understand that we are not solitary entities, but complex ecosystems teeming with microbial life. The book takes us on a journey, from the microbial renaissance, through the invisible world, the body microbial, and finally, to the future of microbes. Each chapter unravels the intricate relationship between humans and microbes, forcing us to reconsider our place in the grand tapestry of life. We are not merely hosts, but partners in a delicate dance of coexistence. Ed Yong's I Contain Multitudes invites us to appreciate the microscopic multitudes within us, and reconsider our place in a world where we are but one part of a grand, microbial tapestry. Thank you for joining us at the Summary Studio. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.